lighting isn't too good, but it's basically 6:30 in the morning. And I'm down at Poipu Beach, and it is raining. And I decided to park up underneath this pavilion. I've got a couple bananas, and I've got a couple boiled eggs that I'm going to have for my breakfast. And I'll probably, I don't know, run from here to a coffee shop. I think I'll get something. But yeah, this has been a very challenging trip, I would say, with the rain. It's literally rained every day we've been here. I think we only had, when we got in here on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, pretty much were decent weather, but otherwise it's been raining every day. And last night down at the beach, we were up at the Salt Pond beach up there, and there's a really good area for snorkeling and stuff, but it was pouring rain. We had a couple times where we could actually go out and get into the ocean, so we did our triple thing we do. We go out to the ocean at least 3 times, and then if the weather just doesn't cooperate, we leave. And kind of did that. So when we got out of there, we stopped by one of the shops and got some noodle bowls. We're going to have those for breakfast tomorrow morning, which will be Saturday. And I know, noodle bowls for breakfast. Yeah, it sounds weird, but we've done it. It's kind of a hot thing, you know, so it's good to have a little bit of a hot meal instead of everyday cold food. So we're going to do that. Yesterday was kind of okay. It rained, but we got a chance to get to the coffee plantation, which is unbelievable. It's just like 31,000 acres of coffee. It's just incredible. And I didn't know this, but one coffee tree only produces 1 pound of coffee. So that's incredible. So they have to have, thousands of trees, right? So that was cool. We did that, and then we had stopped by Costco yesterday. We picked up some sashimi and some sushi rolls. So we had some of that yesterday. We did stop by Humera's, Simon, the restaurant, and I picked up fried noodles, which I've been trying to get them for a while. Basically like a fried ramen noodle. It was good. I liked them. Wasn't anything too special about them, but they were good. All right, well, anyway, I'm going to have my breakfast here, and you can't barely see me anyway, so that's the restrooms behind me. The lights on. And I can show you what the ocean looks like. That's what it looks like out there. Can you see it? You can hear the rain, I'm sure. Anyway, that's it for right now, and try to make the best of today. I'm going to go try to find some more papaya at one of the markets as well, and we'll just try to get our day going and try to make the best of it. All right, I just got gas, and all right. Now I got another tip for you for traveling. So if you are making your own lunches or your own foods, this is what we do. We use a Ziploc bag, especially if you have a freezer available. These are tips. These are things that you need to ask the person that has the property that you're staying at. You got to ask them, is there a fridge, first of all? If there is a fridge, does it have a freezer? If it does, make sure you bring some freezer Ziploc bags with you. They're so light, they're easy to pack. Bring them with you, put a little bit of water in them, lay them flat, let them freeze, and you can use them for ice packs, okay? That is a great thing to do. We do it quite often. This time, though, on our trip, we happened to stop at Lidgate Farms, which is the chocolate farm, and they gave us these ice packs to put in with the chocolate that we purchased. So that was pretty sweet. So we have these little tiny ice packs that we have. And also the bag that they gave us is like a thermal bag in a sense too. So those are some tips from our trip. Anyway, it's raining. Weather's just not cooperating so well. It's kind of getting old, honestly. But I'm going to head back down toward the beach and see if I can check out the sea turtles. See you in a bit. Well, this area has become kind of a favorite for me. So you have the Kaloa Mill ice cream and coffee shop. So they have really good coffee. We have Billabong here. And then down this way we have Kaloa Pizza, which we had pizza there recently. Fantastic. And down at the end of this strip here, there's a market. I probably am gutting the name. It's called Sequoia Market. But they sell masubis in there, which are really good. And they have a lot of other things there too. But yeah, I'm going to head down to the beach again. So we'll go down to Poipu Beach and see what the situation is with the sea turtles. So let's set our navigator up for the beach. Poipu Beach Park. And go. Alright, well, we'll get back to you in a little bit. Alright, so we were down in this area last night, so a lot of this development is from last year. And over here we have some food trucks. And I'll say on this island there are a lot of food trucks. I don't remember seeing a food truck on Big Island, but we may not have been in the right area. But yeah, this whole area is a new development. We heard that many of the shops are having some issues getting supplies, which, being in restaurants, I know that very clearly. So some of them are struggling to get opened up. Man, this road back in here is bad. This is kind of a bit of a shortcut to the beach from the market. It's really rough here. So watch out for potholes. Yeah, they're actually going to open up the brewery in there too. That's going to be the Kauai brewery, I believe. That's going to open there. Or Kauai Island. I think it's Kauai Island Brewery is what it is. But again, like the woman at one of the shops told us, that they're struggling to get all their supplies and stuff. I know that she told me that there's another little market that's going to open up in there, and they can't get refrigerators or something to open the place up. They were already supposed to be open a while ago. But it's a cute place. Oh my gosh, look at this flood here. Flooding. Slow down. Yikes. The road is completely flooded out. Just got a lot of rain this morning. Alright, let's get to the beach. Only 4 turtles down here today. 4 sea turtles. Looks like a bunch of them left already though. Alright, let's just walk along the beach, see what else we can find.